Mr. Degnan, and I am your child's reading teacher. So, let's get started. I'd like to introduce myself through this letter that I usually hand out at open house, but we're going to do it digitally, and I figured I'd also make a video along with it as well, so that you can have a better understanding as to, well, who I am. So, let me begin. Dear Falcon students and families, my name is Robert Degnan, and this is my 5th year at LLT Academy. I have been teaching in one capacity or another for about 20 years. Whether it was caring for toddlers or teaching adults how to read, I have taught almost every age level. I earned a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology from Franklin Pierce University and a Master of Arts in Teaching from Rhode Island College. I absolutely love being a teacher, and I feel it is an honor to be a part of a student's academic experience. My main philosophy is that children, all people really, should feel safe, welcomed, respected, and inspired in every aspect of life, especially in school. I want your children to want to attend class, whether it is as an e-learner or face-to-face. If there's one thing I know about kids, it is that if they like being somewhere, they will be there. If they don't, well, then they won't. By that I mean being physically present is one thing, but your mind and your heart have to be here too. So it is my main priority to make sure that I nurture that want. Language arts encompasses the study of literature, vocabulary, reading strategies, and grammar. Your 6th grader will have me for reading strategies, and Mrs. Hawkins for writing language arts. Together, we will primarily utilize the Pearson Literature Curriculum, which is actually now called SOCS. But we always love to find other forms of inspiration that help foster a love for not only reading, but thinking by engaging curious minds. Please be sure to explore our Google Classroom site, as well as Edsby, so that you are proficient in how to navigate each of them. Also, please consult the student handbook for the following policies: earn, uniform, the grading scale, holidays and birthdays. So, what will this school year look like for your child? They will be supported and cared for. They will be required to rise above the uncertainty and take control of their response to their environment. They will ask questions, have answers, and continue to be curious about the world. At times, they will love to read, and other days, not so much. Regardless, this school year can be seen as a challenge, but I prefer to see it as an adventure. Every adventure has trials and tribulations. There are moments of great achievement and folly. No matter what, it is not the events along the way that shape us. Rather, it is our response to said events that makes all the difference. I have very high expectations for all of my students because life has the same, if not higher, expectations for all of us. Raise your bar and make this year the best yet, and always be up for a challenge. I guarantee if you accept that you are great and honor those learning moments, you will always feel the beauty of success. So, let's go have an adventure, shall we? Sincerely, Robert Degnan. Cool. Thanks for watching this video. Now that you're done with this, please go to the next section of the form and fill out some basic information like your child's name, your name, phone number, your email address, and let me know how your child feels about reading. Is reading like the best thing on earth, or is it pure torture? For me as a kid, reading was kind of torturous, which is ironic that I'm now a reading teacher. But also, please let me know the really cool things about your child. Do they like to go BMX riding? Or do they have a motorcycle? Do they ride horseback? Do they know how to knit? Are they an artist? Do they love music? Are they a musician? I'm a musician. So those are the things that I want to know about your kid so I can have a better understanding of who they are. What are their interests? What do they like to do? All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message on Classroom or Edsby, and I cannot wait to see you either on the screen or in person. I hope you're all doing very, very well. Take care. See you soon. Bye.